So, you've bought some stock using the Afrinvestor app, and now you're thinking it might be the right time to sell and cash in on your investments. No problem. Selling your stock is just as easy as buying them. Let me walk you through it step by step. Think of your stocks like a fruit tree in your garden. You've nurtured it, and now the fruits are ripe and ready to be picked. Selling your stocks is like harvesting those fruits when the time is just right. Step 1. Log into your Afrinvestor 2.0 app. Step 2. Head over to your portfolio. This is where you see all the stocks you own. It's like looking at the tree and checking out all the ripe fruits hanging there. Step 3. Pick the stock you want to sell. Tap on it to see more details. Just like choosing which fruits to harvest, you'll want to make sure you're selling at the right time. Step 4. Before you sell, take a moment to review how the stock has been performing. Has it grown well? Is the price higher than when you bought it? These are important considerations, just like checking if your fruit is ripe and juicy. Additionally, take a look at the order book to see current sales offer in the market. This will help you decide on a competitive sale price, especially if you're using a limit order. You can do this by tapping View Order Book on the execution page. Step 5. Click on the Sell button. If the market is open, you will see two options: limit order and market order. However, if the market is closed, you will see only one option: limit order. Similar to when you bought your stock, market order tells the system to sell your stock at the current market price, while limit order is a way to tell the system to sell your stock at a price that you want. Watch our video on order type to learn more. So, select your preferred order type, enter price and units you want to sell, and hit Sell button. It's like deciding how much fruit you want to harvest now and what you want to leave for later. Step 6. Before you finalize, double check everything: number of shares, price, and all. If everything looks good, hit the Sell Now button. You can monitor the status of your order in your order history. To see your order history, tap on the More button and then tap on Order History. The status can either be pending, executed, rejected, cancelled, or expired. You can learn more about these terms in our video on order history terms. Step 7. After your order to sell is successfully executed, the funds won't appear in your Afrinvestor account immediately. The Nigerian exchange operates a T+3 transaction. T means the day you sold plus 3 business days. So if you sell today, your funds will be available in your accounts within 3 business days. You'll also receive a contract note via email, which is your official receipt for the transaction. This document will detail the stock you sold, the unit, price, and settlement date. The settlement date is the day the value of the stock you sold will be credited to your bank account. You can find it at the top right corner of your contract notes. On the settlement date, you can send your funds to reinvest them or use it for other purposes, whatever suits you. Enjoy the rewards of your successful trade. You've earned it. And that's how you sell stocks on Afrinvestor 2.0 app. Simple, right? Whether you're buying or selling, Afrinvestor makes it easy to manage your stocks. Download the app and start investing today. Happy trading.